Although Halloween may not look the same this year, why not keep traditions alive by making some yummy treats? I've got a 6-ingredient, no-bake recipe that's perfect for Halloween, so stick around. My name is Relle and welcome to my kitchen, where I like to share all my favorite island and Hawaiian style recipes. And today we'll be making Halloween peanut butter balls. Smooth, creamy peanut butter filling covered in a delicious white chocolate shell and decorated for Halloween. Really, you could customize this for any holiday or make them plain. I'd like to take this time to mahalo Foodland for sponsoring this video. Foodland is a locally owned and operated grocery store here in Hawaii. I was born and raised in upcountry Maui, and I shopped at Foodland all the time, and I still do today. They have a wide assortment of grocery items, including their own exclusive Mai Ka'i product line. And today we'll be featuring Foodland's Mai Ka'i peanut butter, honey, and macadamia nut. So yummy. Alright, enough talking, so let's get started. Hele mai, come along and let's make some Halloween peanut butter balls. First, we're going to make the filling, so add the Mai Ka'i peanut butter to a large bowl. You'll want to use creamy peanut butter here. It just holds its shape better and it's more rich and creamy. The chunky peanut butter, it doesn't hold its shape as well and kind of gets lumpy and crumbly. However, if you are an absolute crunchy fan, by all means, you can use it in this recipe if you'd like. Next, you'll add some softened butter, vanilla extract, and a little bit of salt. If you use salted butter, omit the salt here. Then you're going to go ahead and use a hand mixer, stand mixer, or you can mix it by hand and mix it up until everything is smooth and creamy and it looks like this. Once that's nice and smooth, you'll want to add some of your powdered sugar. Add it in batches so it's easier to mix. Slowly turn on the hand mixer. Then go ahead and add the rest of your powdered sugar and continue mixing until everything is well combined. Don't worry, it'll look a little crumbly like this, but I promise it'll come together. Just keep mixing it. When it's done, it'll kind of look like Play-Doh consistency like this. Then you're going to want to take a small cookie scoop. You can use a tablespoon, a regular spoon, or just grab a bunch of it if you want, and roll it in your hands to get a nice smooth round ball like this. You're going to continue doing that with all the batter. Get the kids involved, have them help out. It's really fun. It's kind of therapeutic if you ask me. So you're going to continue rolling it like this until you do the whole tray. Then place the tray in the fridge for 30 to 60 minutes to cool. Next comes the chocolate. Now, chocolate's a little finicky, so you want to make sure you get yourself a good product. This recipe uses white chocolate. White chocolate is a little more sweet, and if you find it's too sweet for you, by all means, you can totally use dark chocolate or semi-sweet chocolate. Next, you're going to want to melt the chocolate. I use the defrost setting in the microwave. This is a little bit thick, so I have to stir it a little bit more. The humidity here in Hawaii definitely affects it a little more. Then you're going to take your peanut butter balls that have come out of the fridge and go ahead and dip it into the chocolate like this. And you'll want to tap off the excess using your fork. So just tap it on the edge of the bowl and you can push it off the fork like this. Now, a candy dipper would have worked great here, but I figured not every household has that. Everybody probably has a couple of forks lying around. Plus, doing it with the fork gives this like homemade look, and it looks a little more like a monster, so it worked out well. And you're going to want to decorate. You can add some candied eyes like this. As you can see, my chocolate started to harden quicker than I was able to decorate. After you take the peanut butter balls out of the fridge, they're really cold, so you dunk it in the chocolate and it hardens quickly. If this happens, not to worry, you can totally take some of the melted chocolate, dip it onto whatever you're putting on, and use it as glue to stick it on. I would recommend decorating only one ball at a time, unless you're really quick. Obviously, I wasn't quick enough. So after you add a little bit of that extra chocolate, you can go ahead and put the sprinkles on for the top of the monster. You can totally customize it to your liking, so I did some green monsters as well. So same thing, you're going to dip it in the chocolate and tap off the extra like this, and then you'll go ahead and put it on the parchment paper and quickly go ahead and add on the eyes like this and the sprinkles for the top, and enjoy! And that's how you make Halloween peanut butter balls. If you liked my video, I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be updated every time I post new videos. And I post new videos every week. If you'd like to see more dessert recipes, then click on this playlist here. Or if you want to watch what YouTube thinks you should watch, then go ahead and click on this video here. And until next time, ahui ho!
Thank you for watching my mom's video.